This afternoon, we're in Laurel at Lakewood Highlands in Southwest Lakeland, right over off Polk County Parkway, literally minutes. Right behind me, this really nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The interior was just painted. It looks fantastic. Let's go take a look at this floor plan, how it flows, and I'll show you the neighborhood and see what you think. So we're at 2162 Blue Highland Drive. Beautiful day here in Lakeland, Florida. Can't wait to show you the interior of this home. But first, as we look at the exterior, notice a couple things. There are sidewalks throughout the neighborhood, which is great for walking, you know, kids, pets, that sort of thing, walking your dog. And no neighbor facing the home to the left. So it's kind of nice and private. 2-car garage and a really nice quiet neighborhood. We're out here. It's late morning. You can see it's just really nice. Got the PVC fencing right behind us, and this particular backyard is fully fenced in. So let's take a look at this. Again, freshly painted on the inside. Looks really nice. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split bedroom plan. This is built by D.R. Horton. You can see when you first walk in, it's a really nice open floor plan. Huge room, got the nice little kind of a custom look in the back on the back wall. Plenty of space for your family. But before we do that, let's take a look at the kitchen. Nice kitchen. Look at all the cabinets. Look at all the counter space. All your appliances. You've got the dishwasher, your range. And right behind me is the fridge. It's all Frigidaire. Massive space for your eat-in kitchen table, which in this case, it could be a larger table than even not, I would say, because a lot of times we'll say a little round table, but you could do a pretty good sized table in here. It's all ceramic tile flooring. Love the triple windows for all the natural light. You got the see-through right to the main area of the home. Nice ceiling, textured ceilings, built in 2018. Closet pantry here. So you got your ceramic tile in the main area. And again, I've showed you this. So this kind of looks back through this way. Now this does have a dining light. So if you want to set this up as a dining area, a lot of times we'll see people do that too. So, you know, whatever works for your family. Nice bar, you can put some bar stools underneath there. So that's looking back at the kitchen. Put your TV here, that big 85-inch to watch all your sporting events or your favorite movies. Split bedroom plan, your 2 bedrooms and 1 bath are here, and then back here. Tucked away is your master suite. Let's go take a look at that. Primary suite in the back. I'm gonna show you that backyard also. Big master bedroom, you can see. The double windows. Ceiling fan. And then this bathroom has ceramic tile, double sinks. It's got the raised countertop, huge mirror, your shower, linen closet. Your toilet area is tucked back around here, kind of scooted back. And then this is a walk-in closet. Kind of like what they really did here, because a couple things, you don't really need to open and close a closet door half the time because nobody's in here but you, the owner. So you can just walk in here. You could easily add some shelving along this wall and even lower or upper. You could redo this area and even make it even more practical. There's your towel bar for getting out of your shower, but you can see it's a nice size primary suite bath. All right, let's roll over here to the other part of the house. So a couple things to note. Immediately on the right is going to be your inside laundry area. 2-car garage straight through here. And then backing up, this is your 2-bedroom and 1 bath down a little hallway. Your air handler is in here. There is a closet area here. Let's look at the other full bath. This is a tub shower combination. This has the single sink, ceramic tile flooring. Everything is nice and neat, clean, in great condition. I don't know if I have, oh, I do. I have a linen closet right behind me. I don't think I've ever noticed that. Really nice for this bathroom. Now here's your other 2 bedrooms. You can see then your closet's gonna be around this side. Again, the paint looks fantastic. They did a good job. It's nice and neutral. And same thing here, this bedroom, they're about the same size. Got their closet, single window there. Okay, let's take a look at the outside. Perfect starter home. They just slightly reduced the price. This home is priced to sell. Fantastic location. Again, the Polk County Parkway is right up the road. Oh, by the way, there are amenities here, clubhouse, pool, plenty to choose from. Really nice entrance to this community, but look at the backyard. It's got a nice backyard, fully fenced, PVC fencing, so it's wonderful. And it's got a patio here. You could always screen that in if you want to, or whatever suits you. Put a couple chairs out here, barbecue grill. Have some nice cookouts here with your family. So I hope this tour has enabled you to see how this floor plan flows. We'd love to show it to you, answer all your questions, and see how we can best help your family. So feel free to drop a comment on your favorite feature below. Let me know if I can help you. Would love to do that. Just remember, whether selling or buying, got to call Brian. Thank you for touring this beautiful home today. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you want to see this home in person, all my contact information is below. Let's connect. Let me set up a private tour for you. Anything else in all of Central Florida, our team is here to help. Thanks so much for tuning in. God bless.